The government just handed SMSF owners a massive tax advantage over every other investor in Australia. But if history tells us anything, this window won't stay open forever. The recent budget confirmed what we all feared. The 50% CGT discount is gone, negative gearing is restricted, and family trusts are being hit with a 30% minimum tax. But there is one legal loophole they explicitly left open. Most investors assume these new tax hikes apply to everyone, but there is a way out, for now at least. I'm Troy, founder of Blue Chip SMSF, and we've set up thousands of SMSFs for Aussies. Today, we are breaking down exactly how to take advantage of the new tax landscape before Labor strikes again. Welcome to SMSF Insider, where we help busy professionals to gain financial independence using an SMSF. Hi, I'm Troy, founder of Blue Chip SMSF Services, and over the last 20 years, I've helped thousands of Aussies manage the complexities of self-managed super funds. And in this podcast, I'll answer your questions, break down the myths, so you can take charge of your financial freedom. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to understand is that the government didn't just tweak the tax system, they fundamentally rewired it to punish personal investment and reward superannuation. Let's look at the CGT discount. For decades, if you held an asset for more than 12 months, you only paid tax on half the capital gain. That's gone for individuals and trusts, replaced by a complex indexation system that will almost certainly result in higher taxes. But SMSFs, they kept their 33.3% discount. This means an SMSF in accumulation phase pays a maximum of 10% tax on capital gains. In pension phase, it's 0%. This isn't just a slight advantage, it's a wealth-building superpower. If you're building a property portfolio or a share portfolio outside of super, you are now rowing against the tide. The second major shift is the attack on discretionary trusts. The new 30% minimum tax on trust distributions effectively kills the bucket company strategy. Corporate beneficiaries receive no credit for the tax already paid by the trustee. The combined effective tax rate on trust income cycled through a bucket company moves toward 55 to 60%, higher than the top marginal rate. But once again, complying superannuation funds are excluded from this new trust tax. This makes the SMSF the last true tax haven in Australia. So, what do you do about it? You need to take advantage before the rules change again. Strategy one is maximising your concessional contributions. The caps have increased. You can consider moving the money you have available in your personal name, where it's heavily taxed, into the protected environment of your SMSF. Strategy two is reviewing your asset location. If you hold high growth assets in a family trust or your personal name, you need to speak with your accountant about the expanded rollover relief. The government has provided a 3-year window starting July 1st, 2027 to restructure out of discretionary trusts. This could be your opportunity to move assets into a more tax-effective structure. Potentially your SMSF, without triggering immediate capital gains tax. Just quickly, guys, if you're a busy professional, fed up with traditional super funds and overwhelmed by the setup of your SMSF, we can help. Book in a call with my team using the link in the show notes, and let's build your future on your terms. Now, back to the episode. Strategy 3 is acting now. The government left the SMSF exemptions in place this time, but they are constantly looking for new revenue. The Division 296 tax on balances over $3 million proves they're willing to target superannuation. The rules are in your favour today, but you can't afford to wait. As you can see, the landscape has changed dramatically. The old strategies of negative gearing and family trusts are being dismantled. The SMSF is now the undisputed king of tax structures in Australia. If you've been sitting on the fence about setting up an SMSF, the government just made the decision for you. Don't wait until they close this loophole too. Reach out to my team today via the link in the show notes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of SMSF Insider. If you got value from this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the strategies we share to help you take control of your financial future. Find us on socials at Blue Chip SMSF or book a call with our team to see if we can help you.